Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a new playlist in the Spotify application. So how to create a new playlist in the Spotify application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here it is already on the main Spotify display. To create a new playlist, you need to enter the playlist menu. The method is, direct the cursor to the upper left and tap this icon. Well, here it is already in the playlist menu. To add a playlist, tap the plus icon here. Well, here there are two options. We choose Create a new playlist. Well, here it has successfully added a new playlist to Spotify. Now here you can edit the playlist. Tap My Playlist. Now here it will enter the Edit Details menu. In the Name section, this is useful for changing the name of the playlist. For example, I changed this. Then on this icon. Useful for changing the photo of the playlist that we create. Tap, and it will go to the computer's Windows folder. Select the image that will be used as the playlist photo, for example I choose this. Tap Open. In the description section we can change it to the description of the playlist that we created. After all is done, tap Save. Now here we can see the name and profile of the playlist have changed. Next, to add songs or music, type in the search for music that will be added to the playlist. Now here will appear some music that we are looking for. Scroll down to find music. To add, tap Add on the right side of the music that will be added. Now here we can see the music has been added. Next, for example, if you want to add more music, type in the search for music that will be added to the playlist. Now here will appear some music that we are looking for. Scroll down to find music. To add, tap Add on the right side of the music that will be added. Now here we can see the music. So that's it. Tutorial how to change background in video call on Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.